The Huskies will be receiving and coming out of their south end zone. Brendan Rice on the return finds some room around the left side. Number 7.
Ball!
McGarvey's pass to Brandon Shanks is complete for a Hamilton Husky touchdown. Birds and Lewis sponsored. Jaden Burns of the Blues on the reception. Showing Purdy on the quarterback draw, using for the score. Purdy's pass over the middle complete. Number 2, Jordan Young. Purdy's pass. Number 12, Chuck Purdy, in for the score for the Pumas. Chuck Purdy throws it back across field to Colby Dickey. Purdy pulls the ball down, picks up about 13 yards on the play. Chuba Purdy with the quarterback draw up the middle, touchdown. Perry Pumas.
Nice job! Let's go! Hey, Clay, good job, baby! Here's Bert! James coming through.
Purdy's pass.
Roy Lee's pass off to
Safety! Safety!
Sebastian Gordon on the carry. He swallowed up on the left side. Perry defense. Chuba Purdy's Shoba Purdy's deep pass intended for number. Shoba Purdy pulls the ball down, takes it up for the first down. Shoba Purdy's pass complete to number 5, Colby Dickey, for a Perry Puma touchdown. Here's Stroh with 9:40. Screen pass, Purdy's pass is complete. Purdy's pass complete to number 20. The score was 5:31. Shoba Purdy's pass complete. Touchdown, number 18, Clayton Schmitz, Perry Pumas. Barber's pass is complete to number 2, Brendan Rice, touchdown, Hamilton. Sweat on the carry.